Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get Roblox Studio on your Chromebook, an easy guide. First, ensure your Chromebook is compatible with Linux Beta, as this foundational step is crucial for running the Windows version of Roblox Studio. You will access your Chromebook settings, navigate to the Developers section, and then activate the Linux development environment. This initial setup takes several minutes, so please be patient while the system prepares its necessary components for the next steps. To enable Linux Beta, open your Chromebook settings. In the left-hand menu, find the Developers section and click on it. Locate the Linux Development Environment Beta option and select Turn On. The system will guide you through setting up your username and allocating disk space. We recommend dedicating at least 10 GB of storage for the Linux container. This ensures Roblox Studio has ample room to operate smoothly, supporting your creative work without performance issues. Now that Linux Beta is active, open the terminal application from your Chromebook's app launcher. First, update your Linux package list and upgrade any existing software. Type sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y and press enter. This ensures your system is current. Next, install Wine, a crucial compatibility layer, by using the command sudo apt install wine y in the terminal. Wine is essential for translating Windows system calls into Linux-compatible ones, allowing Roblox Studio to function properly on your Chromebook. Next, download the official Roblox Studio installer directly from the Roblox website. Save the executable file, typically named Roblox Studio Installer, exe, to your Chromebook's Downloads folder. Now, move this file into your Linux Files folder, accessible via your Chromebook's file manager. Open the terminal again. Navigate to the directory where you place the installer. Then, execute it using Wine by typing Wine Roblox Studio Installer, exe, and pressing enter. Follow the installation prompts to complete the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.